Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video we have seen that how to create table. In this video we will learn how to insert the record into table. Here is the syntax: insert into table, column name 1, comma column name 2, and so on. And the values in the bracket, value 1 and value 2. Let's see how we can do it in SQL Server. Just select the test TV which we have created in one of the series. Click on new query, and then we have created one table. Just first select star from employee. You can see that we have created two columns. Now write the insert into employee and the column name, employee ID, employee name, and the values. One, and the employee name, let's say John. Just copy the query and paste it one more time. Change ID and then specify the name, Mike, Nick. You can run these queries in one go or one by one. If you select this and execute, only one row will affected, and if you select these two query and try to insert the record, you will see that two rows affected. Let's see how many rows has been inserted into the table. Select star from employee, execute the query, and then see we have 3 records as we have inserted 3 records into the table. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.